Meaning of high speed.
High speed.
High speed.
High speed.
High speed. The term high speed generally refers to something that operates at a rapid pace, typically faster than the average or standard rate. When applied to technology, high speed often relates to data transfer or processing speed, indicating that the system can handle large amounts of information in a short amount of time. Other common use cases for high speed include transportation methods, such as high-speed trains or planes, and sports or activities performed at a fast pace, such as high-speed racing or skiing. Overall, high speed implies efficiency and rapidity in various contexts.